Love Me here once more. Same packaging. Let's see what we got for today's wig. So the first thing I'm seeing is today's wig that we're working with, which I'm gonna get into. Alright, cool. So I'm seeing this little envelope here. Let's see what's okay. This is a cute little note that Love Me sent, just showing their gratitude and just, you know, for us working together and stuff. And I'm super, like, you know, just grateful. So that's really cute that they sent this, and it was so nicely presented. I also got this little drawstring bag branded Love Me, which is great for storage. I got a $5 gift card. Also got a goodie pouch branded Love Me again. And inside here we have a wig grip. Okay. I also got a patterned elastic band, headband, and I got an edge brush and comb, and that's everything that came on the inside. I got a pair of wig caps, and lastly, inside the box there is a user's wig guide. Alright, which it just lists how to care for a wig. You guys know a lot of these packages carry something like this. Is come in so, you know, helpful and handy. And their social media is also listed on this. On the wig, attached on the wig here, I got this little adjustable elastic strap. So if you need more security on your wig, you can always attach that. Finally, this is the wig that we're working with for today. And this is a 5x5 glueless lace closure kinky straight wig. I am loving this already. You know, one thing with Love Me, they're gonna really like nicely customize their wig, so it's easier for you as, you know, the customer to be able to work with it on your own. So this I would regard as a nice beginner friendly wig, because it is a glueless wig, guys. It's a 5x5 glueless wig. It's already pre-bleached, pre-tinted. You don't have to worry yourself about doing any of that because it's nicely done for you already. This also, it's a 4C kinky edge lace closure wig, so that's another good feature, you know, on my naturalistas who don't want to have to deal with you know, finessing the edges of their wig. You don't have to. And it's also a HD lace that we're working with, so that's lovely. And you can go ahead and do like a nice little middle part on it. You know, it's really nice, whether middle part or side part. It's totally up to you, but it's really nice and realistic. It's gonna give that natural blown out kind of hair vibe, which is lovely. All right, in terms of the length and the density, I'm going to be sure to list that down below there in my description box, so I can show you guys the specifics of the wig. On the inside there's a total of 4 combs, okay, for added security. Also adjustable straps are in the back, and this is where the part is where you can go ahead and add the extra elastic band that was sent for more security. So I'm actually going to go ahead and add this, because with closure wigs I feel like this part is so important, so you have more security whenever you're wearing the wig. You always go ahead and just adjust these straps in the back here to make it tighter on your head, and then you could just use this part here and just slip the wig on. So we're gonna jump straight into applying it, which is gonna be really easy, very beginner friendly. Let's go. So all I'm gonna do is cut out the extra lace. We're not gonna apply any glue or anything to this. You know, I'm definitely going to go in and, you know, straighten the hair some. I mean, I don't know, it's totally up to you how you want to rock this hair, but trust and believe, this looks so natural, like super natural actually. Like you could go ahead, put this in a ponytail, and it will look so good. Very realistic. Like, I'm just trying to give you guys variety here. So yeah, you know, since recently they've really been working on providing more wigs with like more like, wait, I said no, like kinky edges, so it look more like your natural edges, which it really does. So I mean, and a lot of you guys are like always like embrace your natural look, embrace the natural vibe, you know. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm just trying to give you guys options where that is concerned. So yeah, just to clarify that, so today I'm not going to be doing much with the edges. I'm literally not going to be doing much. If you get the wig and you want to, you know, add product to the edges, then go ahead and do that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it as it is. So I can just show you guys how it looks straight out of the packaging, and you know, it's also geared towards my beginners, because a lot of people out there really and truly don't know how to do anything when it comes down to, you know, the edges. I've said that so much in my last 2 sentences. I was trying my best to not say it again. So I'm just gonna get some of my wax stick, and kind of just flat down the top before I go in with my hot comb. So I'm actually going to heat that up. So now that I've done that with the top, I'm just gonna run through it. You guys know the drill. I'm just gonna run through the rest of the wig with my flat iron, and I know this is gonna be nice and flowy. Like, it's gonna look like a nice little fresh blowout. So let's go. I'm gonna fast forward through this portion as well. So, oh, by the way guys, I double checked, and this is actually 20 inches long. As I said, I'm going to be sure to still put the specifications down below, but yeah, so just so you guys know. I'm all done with straightening the entire wig. You see that? The ends are so full and nice. The movement is nice. I knew this would straighten really nicely. Like, despite how kinky straight you see it was, I've worked with these textures so many times in the past, and they all react so natural, like it's a natural hair. I give it, you know, it came with this center part, and I just kind of leave it in that parting. You see how nice and flat it's laying? It's laying pretty flat. It does have a very realistic look to it. I didn't do anything to the edges, didn't add any product, and it, see, yeah, no product whatsoever. So, and it's very secure on my head, like very secure. Like, you're ready to go up against any hard wind outside. You don't have to worry about your wig blowing away. So you could literally go ahead and rock it just like this, and you could go ahead and feel free to put it like and style it as well, like differently. So I want to kind of like, you know, pull it back, hold it, and it's gonna give like a nice little half up, half down vibe. So you know, you have to really catch it strategically, because you still, you know, it's still a closure wig. You don't want to like reveal, you don't want to reveal what's the wig cap, you know, so you have to like catch it up with some form of strategy. So could feel free to do that as well. And look at that, look at that, you still can't tell, you still can't tell. And I mean, it's kinky edges, but it's not like super like kinky curly, you know, so it still looks like very believable, and I love that. So that's another way you could go ahead and style it. I just kind of use my claw clip to kind of demonstrate the style for you, but I'm gonna rock it with the center part just down like this. It looks pretty good, guys, pretty good. Let me know what you think. Shout out to Love Me Hair once more for another bomb wig. I am not getting a lot of shedding, I really am not, so I'm happy about that. And it is of a natural color, as you guys realize. If you want to go in and dye this, you could, you know, I mean, it's yours. Feel free to go ahead and experiment. But yeah, I feel like this is great if you're looking to stick, if you're a girl that's on the 4C side or just type 4 hair and you want something close to your hair texture and you want a wig, you want a nice protective hairstyle, this is it. This is it. I'm just saying. So, and it's glueless. So hey, shout out to all my beginners. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, today's wig install. I hope you guys found this like of much convenience. I'll be sure to link all the necessary information in my description box. If you are interested in getting this wig for yourself, the link will be down below, so check that out. And shout out to Love Me Hair once more. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.